makes my trigger finger start to itch. Takes all I have not to kill that son of a bitch. I'd like nothing more than to cut his face, make his body disappear without a trace. Write a note to tell his family what I've done. Laugh at his father when I tell him how I killed his son. But I know to you, it probably seems cold-hearted, but I can't help the way that I am. When he hears the sound of my chainsaw getting started, they'll know just how serious I am. Got a shotgun and a shovel, and it sure wouldn't be no trouble to take you where you'll never be found again. A length of rope, an old oak tree, I'll string you up and watch you swing, and take your life without a second thought. And I know to you probably seems cold-hearted, but I can't help the way that I am. When he hears the sound of my chainsaw getting started, he'll know just how serious I am. Yeah, that's when I think we'll truly understand. He'll know just how serious I am.